between the kat and the akat, the spoken and the unspoken, between presence and absence. So they bring us into this territory of, uh, of shifting contours. And Kabir is a virus because he strikes us down, we get a fever. Those of us who've got the Shabd ki chot, as they call it in the oral traditions, know that it's not a cerebral sense of being moved. It's a full body experience. You feel implicated. And it's like a fever. And then what's interesting is you become infectious. And you begin to pass the passion, the spirit, the joy, the taste, the ras of it on to others. And I think I would consider it the biggest gift of this lifetime of mine that I became infectious. And that's one phrase to describe my whole journey with Kabir and the mystics and the Sufis. So what is this state? Na to tu raha, na to main raha, jo rahi so bekhabari rahi. You are no longer you and I am no longer me. What is left is a bewilderment. This bekhabari is, I think, at the heart of this loss of rigid, separating, dual borders. And it carries us to various precipices, the precipice of language, and gently pushes us off to the precipice of coherence and gently pushes us off the cliff. And then we're in a free fall, an anti-gravity free fall, I might say, because to have gravity would again bring in a duality of life and death. But it's an anti-gravity free fall of bewilderment. So to give you one poetic example to start. Dharati to. You can bring in the reverb when I sing. You're going to be kept busy because I will talk and I will sing a lot interchangeably. धरती तो रोटी भाई जी और कागा लिए ही जाया अब पूछो अपने गुरु से वो कहाँ बैठ कर खाए. The earth became a roti. Grabbing it, a crow took flight. Now go ask your guru, Kabir says mockingly, to eat it. Where will the bird alight? So in one poetic heist, he has taken the ground away from under your feet. And you're in a place of groundlessness. So I find in Kabir's poetry especially, he's always pitchforking you into the sky for some reason and bringing you into this space, this in-between space. Asked perhaps by someone, who are you, what's your name, what's your caste, where do you come from, what's your native place, what's your permanent address, all these ways in which we slot, label, control, pigeonhole. Kabir must have said, तो जात हमारी आत्मा जी और प्राण हमारा नाम, अलख हमारा इष्ट है और गगन हमारा गाँव. So, my caste, my soul, my Atma, my soul is my caste, my breath, the name I go by, the alakh, the invisible, the unshowable, the unseeable, is my deity, my divine, and my hometown is the sky. In another beautiful image of the Anal Pakshi, the phoenix, he says, the phoenix, I'll give you the translation first so that you can enjoy the language when it comes. The phoenix, Anal, makes a home in the sky. In the middle, her nest. Steering clear of earth and heaven, she places faith in placelessness. The phrase Kabir uses for this is Bina thor vishwas. I have vishwas, I have conviction, I'm comfortable without a thor, without a location. So it's a placelessness that he's inviting, a groundlessness that he's inviting us to inhabit at all moments. Anala kasa ghar kiya madhya nirantar vas vasudha vyom birkat rahe bina thor viswas. So in this first song from the Kutch oral traditions, Kabir says, Ari gagan ma jyot jalant hai, enu akhand bhayo ujwalo. In this sky dome, there is a light, unbroken, pervading all corners. Ari gagan ma baja baje, enu jhinu jhinu a jhankaro. So is this the sky dome inside our skulls? Is this the sky dome outside? Is it outside? Is it inside? Is this another binary we need to dissolve? Is this instrument the body? Ari gaganma baja baje, in breath, out breath. Eno jhenu jhenu a jhankaro. It makes a subtle sound. Guru mukh ginyani satguru age tiya mati jaye jamka phera re sadho. I turn my face to this Guru, this wisdom, and I step out of the cycles of loss and love, connection and disconnection. Kahat Kabira suno bhai sadho, eva angahdiya tirat kone bharya. Who filled water or who bathed in that pilgrim city which had no contours? Angadiya. This. And then the refrain says, Maharo pirbhu rameche rangaro, Maharo pirbhu rameche niradharo. My Guru, my Ram, plays in this sky dome with no scaffolds, no structures. Niradhar. शब्द हेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. Segueing into another song about the Gagan. हरे उल्टा बाण गगन में लागा हुआ बनी एक डेरी. हरे उल्टा बाण गगन में लागा हुआ बनी एक डेरी. हम उस डेरी में अलख विराजे, उस डेरी में अलख विराजे. अनहद लहर लागी है, अनहद लहर लागी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. मन मुझ मचने घेरी सतगुरु शब्द हेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. Every antara in this song is amphibian. It's evoking the waves of the ocean that are showing you something that's beyond your usual ordinary mind, beyond limits. अरे यारी काया में सात सायर है, नवन सौ नदियां बह रही. In this body 7 lakes and 9900 rivers flowing. हमारे काया में सात सायर है, नवन सौ नदियां बह रही. अरे हम सो हम रत्ना कर छायो, हम सो हम रत्ना कर छायो. मायरा अमीरा सुबेरी है, मायरा अमीरा सुबेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. मन मुझ मचने हेरी सतगुरु शब्द हेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. अरे अरे काया में बाजा बाजे बाजे आठों पहरी. अरे काया में बाजा बाजे बाजे आठों पहरी. झांझ पखावज मृदंग बाजे, झांझ पखावज मृदंग बाजे. मुरली बजे गेरी गेरी है, मुरली बजे गेरी गेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. मन मुझ मचने हेरी सतगुरु शब्द हेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. हमारी काया में तरुवर छायो नहीं, पान नहीं डाली. In this body, a tree, no branch, no leaf. There's no sun, there's no shade, and yet fruits all around. हमारे काया में तरुवर छायो नहीं, पान नहीं डाली. हमारे काया में तरुवर छायो नहीं, पान नहीं डाली. हमारी काया में धूप नहीं छाया, अरे काया में धूप नहीं छाया. फल लागा चौफेरी है, फल लागा चौफेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. हाँ मन मुझ मचने हेरी सतगुरु शब्द हेरी तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी. हाँ यगम लोचन निर्मय की ना नहीं जानू गम गहरी. हाँ यगम लोचन निर्मय की ना नहीं जानू गम गहरी. दरिया की लहरी, तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी, तुम देखो दरिया की लहरी। Thank you. So now I want to introduce the other important key idea. Picking up the same poem I picked up before the first song. ना तो तू रहा ना तो मैं रहा, जो रही सो बेखबरी रही। इसका पहला वाक्य क्या है? खबरे तहय्युरे इश्क सुन, ना जुनू रहा ना परी रही, ना तो तू रहा ना तो मैं रहा, जो रही सो बेखबरी रही। खबरे तहय्युरे इश्क सुन, listen to this tale of love's bewilderment. I know ishq and love are not fashionable terms to invoke in intellectual discourse, but really, this is really what it's about. With the idea of no me, no you, no separation between binaries, comes the expanding idea of a vast interconnected web of codependency. One term that captures this idea is sahaja, which is a big term in Buddhism, also in Kabir. Saha, together, ja, janam lete hue, codependent arising. If you are not, then I am not. If you are, then I am. And that we arise together. But I want to, when I was thinking about this, and I was thinking, yeah, this is all sounding too technical. What's a different way to evoke this? And this poem came to mind, where Kabir says, Jane Hari Har Rukhada. And just see how we naturally slide into elements and metaphors from nature, because that is where we end. We return to that within ourselves, that which we are bichrod from, that sense of nature. And he says, Jane Harihar Rukhada, us pani ka neh, sneh, love. A living branch will know the touch of water as love. Jane Harihar Rukhada, us pani ka neh, सूखा काट को जाने ही कब हूँ बोठा में. What will a dry branch, branch won't sense the moment when clouds gather above. So that sense of a deep awareness of interconnection that functions at a sensory level comes through this poetry. So, or something like जल में कुंभ और कुंभ में जल है, बाहर भीतर पानी, फूटा कुंभ जल जल ही समाना, ये है अकथ कहानी, है जिरे, ये है अकथ कहानी. So what a pot in water, water in a pot, outside, inside, water. The pot breaks, water meets with water. This is an untellable tale. So I'm going to stop actually invoking the logical, analytical, discursive word now, and I'm going to allow the poetry to take you where it needs to take you beyond what I can say. हद में बैठा कथत है वो 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 हद में बैठा कथत है बेहद की गमनाई बेहद की गम होएगी रे 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 तब कुछ कथना नहीं Sitting in borders, हद में बैठा कथत है. You speak a lot of words, blah 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 blah. You don't have an intuition of the behad or the limitless. बेहद की गम होएगी when you'll get that glimpse. तब कुछ कथना नहीं. Then all words will come to a rest. तो कहना था तो कह दिया अब कुछ कहा न जाए एक रहा दूजा गया दरिया लहर समाए No more words for all is said and done one remains there is no other the wave has met the ocean कहना था तो कह दिया कहना था तो कह दिया अब कुछ कहा नहीं जाए एक रहा दूजा गया रे 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 दरिया लहर समाए So तू इश्क का ज़र्फ़ हाँ इश्क का ज़र्फ़ आज़मा तो सही तू नज़र से नज़र मिला तो सही दिल को तस्कीन हो तो मैं ज़मीन तू ज़रा मैं कदे में आ तो सही Put the genius of love to test just once. Exchange a glance with me just once. If your heart isn't hushed, I'll take the blame. But come into this tavern just once. The loves of bayan sab khatam hue aur loves of bayan ka kaam nahi. Ab ishq hai khud पैगाम अपना और इश्क का कुछ पैगाम नहीं All words have come to an end. लफ्ज़ो बयां सब खत्म हुए अब लफ्ज़ो बयां का काम नहीं इश्क है खुद पैगाम अपना इश्क is its own message and love has no message at all. I'm going to do a song from Malwa. बिन गुरु नाम न पाओगा विरथा जन्म गवाया This evokes the same metaphor. जल में कुंभ रहे जल भीतर बाहर भीतर पानी उल्टा कुंभ जल जल ही समाना तब क्या करे वहाँ ज्ञानी You see all the pot shots being taken at the intellect. Okay? बिन करताल पखावज बाजे बिन रसना से गुण गाया गावनहार को रूप नहीं रेखा सतगुरु अलख लखाया There are no instruments and yet there is music and without a tongue I sing praises. This singer has no roop, no rekha. This wisdom has shown me the unshowable. है वो अथाह थाह सब हीन में दरिया तो लहर समाया That which is immeasurable pours into the small. The ocean pours into the wave. जाल डाल कर क्या करें ढीमर मीन तो हो गई पानी रे What will a fisherman catch when he casts his net if the fish has turned to water? पंछी को खोज और मीन को मार्ग ढूंढे से ना कोई पाया Human beings leave very heavy footprints on this earth. We all know that. Here Kabir is evoking the image of the path of a fish the trail of a bird in the sky. Very, very hard to grasp, trace, find. So light. कहे कबीर सतगुरु मिले पूरा जो भूले को राह बताए. So this wisdom has shown me a way out of darkness. Shown me my lost way.
विरथा तो जन्म गवाया हो, विरथा तो जन्म गवाया हो, बिन गुरु ज्ञान न पाऊंगा मोर साधु भाया, बिन गुरु ज्ञान न पाऊंगा मोर साधु भाया, विरथा तो जन्म गवाया हो, विरथा तो जन्म गवाया हो, बिना खरताल पखावज बाजे, बिना रसना से गुण गाया हो, गावण हार के रूप नाही रेखा, गावण हार के हाँ रूप नाही रेखा, सतगुरु वाला खाल खाया रे मोर साधु भाया, सतगुरु वाला खाल खाया रे मोर साधु भाया.
Something that's echoing really badly on stage. What is it? Voice? No, I think it's the manjiras. Can you take care of this, please?
है वो यथा,
You can't put a reverb on instruments. Reverb is only for voices. Okay?
है वो यथा था सब हीन में दरिया को लहर समाया हो, हाँ है वो यथा हाँ सब हीन में दरिया को लहर समाया हो, जाल डाल कर क्या कर धीमर, जाल डाल कर क्या कर धीमर, मीन तो हो गई पानी रे मोर साधु भाया, मीन तो हो गई पानी रे मोर साधु भाया, विरथा तो जन्म गवाया हो, हाँ फोकट जन्म गवाया हो, बहे जल भीतर बाहर भीतर बाके पानी हो उलट कुंभ जल जल ही समाना उलट कुंभ जल जल ही समाना तो क्या करे वहाँ कोई ज्ञानी रे मोरे साथ आया हाँ व्यर्था तो जन्म गवाया हो हाँ व्यर्था तो जन्म गवाया हो खोज और मीना को मार्ग ढूंढने से ना कोई पाया हो पंछी को खोज और मीना को मार्ग ढूंढने से ना कोई पाया हो कहे कबीर सत गुरु मिल पूरा कहे कबीर सत गुरु मिल पूरा जो भूले को राह बताई रे मोर साथ आया भूले को राह बताई रे मोर साथ आया व्यर्था तो जन्म गवाया हो कट जन्म गवाया हो बिना गुरु ज्ञान न पाओगा मोर साथ पाया हो कट जन्म गवाया हो मेरा था तो जन्म गवाया हो
So I was really charmed to hear Sabi talk yesterday about all the what an amphibian consciousness opens up. You know, he mentioned dew and the hurricane, and so I'm inspired to respond poetically to each one of those. Because water evokes fluidity, a nature of ever changing, ever morphing, evolving, shifting truth. And Kabir often uses the word, the image of water in this spot as an image for our truth, our presence, our being, our life force, which is constantly under flux. So he says, Bhariyo hoy to reet hi. If you think it's full, it's emptying. Aur reeto so bharaye. And if you think it's empty, it's beginning to brim. Bharyo reeto na janehi. Anubhav so hi kehvaye. Not full, not empty. Sense the truth of that feeling. The image of dew comes in a very favorite song of the tradition for me. Matkar maya ko ahankar, matkar kaya ko abhiman. Because dew captures in a very fleeting short time the innate reality of all things that look solid and fixed. Everything that looks very, very fixed and solid to us is subtly perishing. depleting, changing. And dew comes and goes and shows us that reality. So I'm going to sing a song from, again, Malwa. मत कर माया को अहंकार, मत कर काया को अभिमान, काया गार से काछी जैसे ओसरा मोती. Don't be so stupidly deluded about your body, your ego, self-image, all the things that you are attached to, because they are as fleeting as a drop of dew. झोंका पवन का लग जाए, झपका पवन का लग जाए, काया धूल हो जासी. In one gust of wind, your body shall turn to dust. And all these ideas with it. ऐसा सख्त था महाराज जिनका मुल्कों में राज, जिन घर झूलता हाथी. Oh, that stern king with grand palaces and elephants in his court, all blown away in a gust of wind like a drop of dew. भरिया सिंधड़ा में तेल जहाँ से रच्यो है सब खेल. Play, it is a play, it's a khel. In this lamp, oil was filled and a wick came a flame and the whole play unfurled. जल रही दिया की बाती जैसे ओसरा मोती. खुट गया सिंधड़ा रो तेल, बिखर गया सब निज खेल. The oil depletes and the play scatters. Your precious play, nij khel, your particular story, your script, your narrative, blown to smithereens. बुझ गई दिया की बाती, झूठा माई थारो बाप, झूठा सकल परिवार, झूठा कूटता छाती. This is the shock treatment that comes a lot in mystic poetry, where he will try and shake you out of your complacency by saying, father, all these ties, father, mother, family, they're all lies, jhuta. They're all illusions because they are here and then gone. And even mourning and beating your chest in grief is here for a moment and then gone. आहा लाल में का लाल तेरा कौन क्या हवाल जिसको जम ले जासी. Oh, you feel you're so precious. लालों में लाल. What will happen to you the day death catches you by the scruff of your neck and takes you away? Bolya Bhavani Nath, Guruji ne sir pe dhariya haath. So the poet Bhavani Nath says, I'm graced by the touch of this wisdom, on this Guru's wisdom, hand on my forehead. But that too is like a drop of dew. So let's not even cling to enlightenment. Let's not cling to the ideas that give us meaning and then we ossify them. मत कर माया को अहंकार, मत कर काया को अभिमान, काया गार से काछी. मत कर माया को अहंकार, मत कर काया को अभिमान, काया गार से काछी. काया गार से काछी जैसे ओसरा मोती. झोंका पवन का लग जाए, झपका पवन का लग जाए, काया धूल हो जासे. ऐसा सख्त था महाराज जिनका मुल्कों में राज, जिन घर झूलता हाथी. ऐसा सख्त था महाराज जिनका मुल्कों में राज, जिन घर झूलता हाथी. जिन घर झूलता हाथी जैसे ओसरा मोती. झोंका पवन का लग जाए, झपका पवन का लग जाए, काया तेरी धूल हो जासे. मत कर माया को अहंकार, मत कर काया को अभिमान,
झपका पवन का लग जाए काया तेरी धूल हो जासी भरिया सिंधड़ा में तेल जहाँ से रचो है सब खेल चल रही दिया की बाती भरिया भरिया सिंधड़ा रो तेल जहाँ से रचो है सब खेल जल रही दिया की बाती जल रही दिया की बाती जैसे ओसरा मोती झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी फूट गया सिंधड़ा रो तेल बिखर गया सब निज खेल बुझ गई दिया की बाती फूट गया सिंधड़ा रो तेल बिखर गया सब निज खेल बुझ गई दिया की बाती बुझ गई दिया की बाती जैसे ओसरा मोती झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग जाए काया तेरी धूल हो जासी मत कर माया को अहंकार मत कर काया को अभिमान काया गार से काछी झूठा माही थारो बाप झूठा सकल परिवार झूठा कूटता छाती झूठा कूटता छाती जैसे ओसरा मोती झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग जाए काया तेरी धूल हो जासी मत कर माया को अहंकार मत कर काया को घमंड काया गार से काछी काया गार से काछी जैसे ओसरा मोती झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी लाल मैं का लाल तेरा कौन क्या हवाल जिनको जम ले जासी आहा लाल में का लाल तेरा कौन क्या हवाल जिनको जम ले जासी जिनको जम ले जासी जैसे ओसरा मोती झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी बोलिया भवानी हो नाथ गुरु जिन सिर पे धरिया हाथ जिनसे मुक्ति हो जासी बोलिया बोलिया भवानी हो नाथ गुरु जिन सिर पे धरिया हाथ जिनसे मुक्ति हो जासी जिनसे मुक्ति हो जासी जैसे ओसरा मोती झोंका पवन का लग जाए झपका पवन का लग जाए काया धूल हो जासी काया तेरी धूल हो जासी काया धूल हो जासी
Okay, I feel like doing a song that I thought I would do later, possibly end with, but I feel like doing it right away as we approach the end of our evening together. I want to do a Sindhi song that quite poignantly asks the question, replete as we are, rife as we are, I don't know what the word for it, our lives are so asundered, so fragmented by divisions and borders and fear and protection and othering. This poet asks the simple question, when shall we meet? When shall we truly meet? And this is a Sindhi poet from Pakistan, Sheikh Ayaz. And this is a song immortalized in the voice of Alan Fakir. And he says, Tiri ponda tariye jadeh gada gul tadeh mildasi. When those red flowers shall burst into bloom on those branches, then we shall meet. Jade varandiyon kunjadiyon hara hara kare hul tade mildasi. When those cranes, those flocks of cranes will return to roost in this land, making that hara 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 sound as they come in sweeping turns. Nesting requires a sense of when our coastlines have been healed to receive these beautiful birds back, then we shall meet. Gallana goda trimanda jade motin tul tade mildasi. When these tears flowing down my cheeks will turn to pearls, then we shall meet. You know, sorrow, deep sorrow, needs to be honored. And that under deep pressure under the earth, heat, pressure, sorrow, kasht, turns into jewels. And that makes us translucent to light. If we are able to recognize that jewel-like quality that lies at the heart of sorrow. So, Gallana goda trimanda jade motin tul tade mildasi. Vichhode ja dihana bhoraiya ji bhul tade mildasi. These days of separation, bichhoda, were an error of my bholepan, bhoraiya ji bhul. It was a mistake of mine, it was a misperception. All this separation, you, me, high, low, black, white, this, that, it's all a delusion. Then we shall meet. Inviting us to rest easy in the collapsing binary between silence and noise. कहे कबीर हरि कैसा है, जब जैसा है तब वैसा है. So let's rest easy in whatever is arising in this moment. We shall sing. Can you raise the volume a little bit for us on stage? Tiri pavanda tauriye jada I think we will end with a Baul song simply because it is arising for that jewel, that gem of insight, truth, being, whatever you want to call it. Ami tomharo pagol, তোমার পাগল অমিরে বন্ধু জানে দেশের লোকেরে আর পাষণ হইয়া মারলে ছুরি আভাগিনীর বুকে what has driven me out, leaving behind all structures, norms, security, your love, and you cold-hearted one have struck me in my heart with a dagger. O bondhure, O friend, দুঃখের কপাল সুখ হইল না ফিরি দেশে দেশে the sorrow that is written on my forehead makes me wander from country to country যুগল রাশে জন্মবোধি চোখের জলে ভাসে and the tears flowing down my cheek, all hope of union flows down with them. And then, O Bandhure, O my dear friend, I went and told the river of my sorrow, the water evaporated. I went and told the tree of my sorrow, and it shed its leaves. Nodir kache koilere dukho, pani jayo jayare. Vriksher kache koilere dukho, তার পাত্র যায় জুড়িয়া আমি তোমারও লাগিয়া ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িলাম রে আর সাগর সিনছিলাম রে মানি পাইবা আসে আমি তোমারও লাগিয়া ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িলাম আর সাগর সিনছিলাম রে মানি পাইবা আসে আমি তোমারও লাগিয়া রে ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িলাম আর সাগর সিনছিলাম রে মানি পাইবা আসে ও বন্ধুরা তোমার পাগল অমির বন্ধু জানে দেশের লোকেরা জানে দেশের লোকেরা
পাশন হইয়া মারলে ছুরি আর পাশন হইয়া মারলে ছুরি ভাগিনীর বুকের মানি পাইবার আসে আমি তোমার লাগি ওরা ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িলাম রে ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িলাম রে আর সাগরে সিনছিলাম রামানি পাইবা আসে ও বন্ধুরা দুঃখের কপাল সুখ হইল না ফিরি দেশে দেশে রে ফিরি দেশে দেশে রে গোল রাশে জন্ম বোধি যুগল রাশে জন্ম বোধি চোখের চলে ভাসে রে মানি আসে আমি তোমার লাগিয়া ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িলাম রে আর সাগর সিনছিলাম রে মানি পাইবা আসে ও বন্ধুরা নদীর কাছে কইলের দুঃখ পানি জয় জয়া রে পানি জয় জয়া বৃক্ষের কাছে কইলের দুঃখ বৃক্ষের কাছে কইলের দুঃখ তার পাত্রে যায় ঝুড়িয়া রে মানি আসে আমি তোমার লাগিয়া ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়িলাম আর সাগর সিনছিলাম রে মানি পাইবা আসে আর সাগর সিনছিলাম রে মানি পাইবা আসে I think we'll stop here. Yes. Okay.
Are you a Gujarati? All the way in Kerala, and the request for Ochintu pops up here too. Yes. Chalne Vadal Thaye. This poem is by a contemporary Gujarati poet called Dhruv Bhatt, who's a very dear friend with whom we journey every year in Gujarat Yatra. In this poem, he says, Dhruv Dada's poetry is replete with water metaphors. If it isn't the sea, as in Ochintu, in this it's the cloud. So he says, ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાંક થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે. Come, let's turn into a cloud and see, will something thunder and rumble out of me? You want to put the reverb off till I explain the song, please? You'll enjoy the sounds of the poetry here, right? ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાંક થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે. આપણા માથામાં કોઈ હળ જોડે ને કોઈ બે જણા જાય ભીંજાતા ખેતર ભણી જાય ભીંજાતા વાવણી મિશે. When I arrive, will two people pick up their plows and head to the fields, getting drenched, under the pretext of wanting to sow seeds. આપણે તો આકાશ ભરીને આવું અને છલકી જાઉં એવડું વને વન. All I have to do then is to just arrive and burst into rain on all these fields from here till the horizon. નાગડા નાતા છોકરાને જોઈ થાયને આખા ગામને એમની જેમ થવાનું મન. Navanuman. So seeing those naked young village children prancing in glee in the pouring rain, the whole village is really going to be looking at them with envy because they also really want to be doing that. હોય એવું તો થાય ગણીને આપણે તો બસ વર્ષી જાઉં ગામની મથે સિમની મથે ઉગમણી આથમની દિશે. It may be so. All I have to do is arrive and just shower over these villages from where it rises to where it sets. Sav dhoda ki sav kala. And as always in Dhruv Dada's poetry, it's the second antra that he will hook you with the philosophic core of the poem. So here it comes. Sav dhoda ki sav kala. Jem chahiye eva phul gulabi rangni relam jhel. This is amphibian aesthetics serendipitously. I could have chosen this song for this theme. He's saying, as a cloud, I could be a sparkling brilliant white or a murky dark black, or for that matter, any color of the spectrum. Phool gulabi rangni relam jhel. આપણા મોજે આપણા ચિત્તર કાઢીએ એવું આખું મળે દેહની તૂટે જેલ. At my own whim and fancy to fashion myself, my color, my form, to have such a life. Wow! It would be like the prison body of the prison of my body, the jail of my body would have kind of just been thrown open. આપણે તો બસ આપણામાંથી નિકળી જવું ઝરમરીને કોઈ અજાણી ઝાંકડ ઘેલી પાંદડી વિશે. All I have to do is slip out of myself. ઝરમરીને, gently, pit-a-pat. કોઈ અજાણી ઝાંકડ ઘેલ, for the sake of some unknown rain-thirsty leaf somewhere. ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ.
ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે આપણામાં કોઈ હાડ જળે ને કોઈ બેજણા જાય ભીજાતા ખેતર ભણી જાય ભીજાતા વાવણી વિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે આપણે તો આકાશ ભરીને આવું અને છલકી જાવું એવડું વને વન નાગડા નકા છોકરાને જોઈ થાય તો આખા ગામડે એની જેમ નવાનું મન હોય એવું તો થાય ગણીને આપણે તો બસ વરસી જાવું ગામની મથે સીમની મથે યોગમણિયા થામણી દિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે આપણામાં કોઈ હાડ જડે ને કોઈ બેજણા જાય ભીજાતા ખેતર ભણી જાય ભીજાતા વાવણી વિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે સાવધાણા કે સાવ કાળા જેમ ચાહીએ એમાં ફૂલ ગુલાબી રંગની રલમજે આપણા મોજાય આપણા ચિત્ર કાઢીએ એનું આંખું મળે બહેની તૂટે છે આપણે તો બસ આપણામાંથી નીકળી જવું ઝરમરીને કોઈ અજાણી ઝાકળ ઘેલી પાંદડી વિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે આપણામાં કોઈ હાડ જડે ને કોઈ બેજણા જાય ભીજાતા ખેતર ભણી જાય ભીજાતા વાવણી વિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે ચાલને વાદળ થઈએ અને જોઈએ કે ક્યાં થાય છે ધોધમ ધોધ જેવું કંઈક આપણા વિશે Thank you so much. Thank you for listening, for creating this intimate evening of communion over the words of the mystics. Should we do Ochintu and close? So, as I retune, I will tell the story of this song. This song was composed by Dhruv Dada at a very interesting time. He would do a lot of padyatras, a lot of walks to do research in remote tribal villages in Gujarat and very, very poverty-stricken areas. And one day he said he was walking in an open field area. The earth was really parched and hard. And from a distance he saw an old man under the hot noonday sun, wearing a tattered loincloth, struggling to plow his field. And from a distance when he saw this, he said he felt a twinge of pity in his heart. So that when he walked by the old man, he turned to him and he said, "Dada kem che? How are you?" And he says the old man looked up and a million-watt smile split the man's face and he said, "Eh, hame hekla," meaning, "Hey, I'm doing just fine." And the quality of the energy of that man and the joy that he felt in his being brought Dhruv Dada up close to his own assumptions. And he says in that moment this poem came to him. This song is so popular in Gujarat, you will not even believe it, how popular this song has become in Gujarat. Village after village, children, people know this song. I saw it on a car bumper sticker the other day. So it sort of captures something in which he says, ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે અને ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે. ओचिंतु अचानक से कोई मुझे रास्ते में मिले और पूछे कैसे हो, तो आपने तो कहिए कि दरिया सी मौज में ऊपर थी कुदरतनी रहम छे. I'll say I'm as joyous as the waves of the ocean because I have the grace of nature's hand, kudrat, on my head. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે અને ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે, તો આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાસી મોજમાં ઉપરથી કુદરતની રેમ છે. ફાટેલા ખિસ્સાની આડમાં મૂકી છે અમે છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ. In this torn pocket of mine I hide overflowing waves of joy. એકલો હોઉં ને તોય મેળામાં હોઉં એવું लाग्या કરે છે મને રોજ. I may be alone and yet at all moments I feel like I'm in a carnival. તાળું વસાય નહીં એવડી પટારીમાં આપણો ખજાનો હેમ ખેમ છે. My treasure is safe and intact in a chest that needs no lock. તાળું વસાય નહીં એવડી પટારીમાં આપણો ખજાનો હેમ ખેમ છે. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે. And then he says, as usual, the second paragraph again contains the kernel of the song, the philosophic kernel. And he says, આંખોમાં પાણી તો આવે ને જાય, નથી ભીતર ભીનાશ થતી ઓછી. Water will come to my eyes and go, but the moisture in my heart will never diminish. વધ ઘટના કાંઠાઓ રાખે હિસાબ, નથી પરવા સમંદરને હોતી. Let petty accounts of rising and falling fortunes, rising tides and low tides, more, less, I have, I don't have. Let these petty accounts be kept by the shores, by the coast. Nathi parva samandar ne hoti. The ocean isn't bothered with such accounts. આ સૂરજ તો ઉગે અને આથમીએ જાય, મારી ઉપર આકાશ એમ નેમ છે. The sun may rise and the sun may set, but the sky above me is exactly where I left it. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે, તો આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાસી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે, આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાસી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. ફાટેલા ખિસ્સાની આડમાં મૂકી છે અમે છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ. ફાટેલા ખિસ્સાની આડમાં મૂકી છે અમે છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ. એકલો ઊભું ને તોય મેળામાં હું એવું लाग्या કરે છે મને રોજ. તાળું વસાય નહીં એવડી પટારીમાં આપણો ખજાનો હેમ ખેમ છે. આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાસી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે, આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાસી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. આંખોમાં પાણી તો આવે ओछी वध घटना काठाओ राखे हिसाब नथी परवाह समंदर ने होती सूरज तो उगे अने आत्मीय जाए मारी ऊपर आकाश एमने छे आपने तो कहिए के दरिया सी मौज में ऊपर थी कुदरत नी रेम छे चिंतु कोई मने रस्ते मने ने कदी धीरे थी पूछे के केम छे आपने तो कहिए के दरिया सी मौज में ऊपर थी कुदरत नी रंग छे.
Thank you. So this is just a delightful poem of Kabir's which says profoundly simple poetry that cuts so deep. What does he say? Jana pehro, jina pehro, pehro malmal sacha. Rupya paval mashru pehro, toe maran keri asa. You may wear coarse, you may wear fine, you may wear the best of silk, you may wear the exotic mushroom, but still you'll bite the dust. Toy maran keri asa. Sona pehro, rupa pehro, pehro hira sacha, var var motida pehro, toy maran keri asa. You can wear gold and you can wear silver and you can wear all the jewels you like and you can bedeck yourself repeatedly. Var var motida pehro. Repeatedly bedeck yourself with all your wealth. Even then, you'll bite the dust. Mata rowe janam janam, behni rowe baramasa, ghar keri nari ter din rowe, kare bea keri asa. I don't know, slight prejudice against the wife here, but anyway, he says, your mother will mourn for you janam janam. Your sister will mourn for you for 12 months. Your wife will mourn for you 13 days and then take another mate. Ik din jiyo, do din jiyo baras pachasa. Kahe Kabir suno bhai sadho, toye maran keri asa. You may live one day, you may live two, you may live 1,000 monsoons. Baras pachasa, sorry. You may live 50 monsoons. Baras, barish. Kahe Kabir suno bhai sadho, toye maran keri asa. So, this is the experiential delight of this poetry. As you read it and feel it in your bones, you start feeling lighter. All the complicated burdens that we have saddled ourselves with begin to fall away. चुन चुन माटी मेल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा चुन चुन माटी मेल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा नहीं घर मेरा नहीं घर तेरा होए जगत में फेरा खाक में खप जाना रे बंदा माटी में मिल जाना नहीं करो अभिमान एक दिन पवन से उड़ जाना चुन चुन माटी मेल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा गारा पैरो जीना पैरो पैरो मलमल साचा रे जाना रे पैरो जीना पैरो पैरो मलमल साचा रुपया पावल मशरू पैरो तोए मरण केरी आसा रे रुपया पावल मशरू पैरो तोए मरण केरी आसा खाक में खप जाना रे बंदा माटी में मिल जाना नहीं करो अभिमान एक दिन पवन से उड़ जाना चुन चुन माटी मेल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा
सोना पैरो रूपा पैरो पैरो हिरला साचा रे सोना रे पैरो हीरा पैरो पैरो हिरला साचा वार वार मोतीड़ा पैरो तोए मरण केरी आसा रे वार वार मोतीड़ा पैरो तोए मरण केरी आसा आँख में खप जाना रे बंदा माटी में मिल जाना नहीं करो अभिमान एक दिन पवन से मिल जाना माता रोए छे जन्म जन्म रे बेनी रोए परमासा रे माता रोए छे जन्म जन्म रे बेनी रोए परमासा घर केरी नारी तेरे दिन रोए कहे बया केरी आशा घर केरी नारी तेरे दिन रोए कहे बया केरी आशा आँख में खप जाना रे बंदा माटी में मिल जाना नहीं करो अभिमान एक दिन पवन से उड़ जाना चुन चुन माटी मैल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा एक दिन जियो दो दिन जियो जियो बरस 50 एक दिन जियो दो दिन जियो जियो बरस 50 कहे कबीर सुनो मेरे साधो तोए मरण के आसा कहे कबीर सुनो मेरे साधो तोए मरण के आसा आँख में खप जाना रे बंदा माटी में मिल जाना नहीं करो अभिमान एक दिन पवन से उड़ जाना चुन चुन माटी मैल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा चुन चुन माटी मैल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा चुन चुन माटी मैल बनाया मूर्ख के घर मेरा नहीं घर मेरा नहीं घर तेरा होए जगत में तेरा रे खाक में खप जाना रे बंदा माटी में मिल जाना नहीं करो अभिमान एक दिन पवन से जुड़ जाना So I often say that the ethics, the epiphanies, the fabric, the flavor, the rasa of impermanence has to imbue our politics. It has to imbue our life, our living. It's not songs of death, you know. These are political songs. There's a politics to recognizing impermanence, and there is a joy to recognizing impermanence. Okay, with that, thank you very much.
Thank you again, Gabriel and Suparna.